The big hunt is right around the corner for a lot of us. And as we're prepping all our gear, our rifles or our bows, and getting everything sighted in and dialed in, we should be doing the same thing with our first aid kits. As we look at this kit, for example, everything is super organized. It's laid out. Wayfinding is very, very easy. That's awesome. But above and beyond that, you individually have to know where everything is, what it does, when and how to use it, and be very intimately familiar with all those things. Just as you're familiar with your rifle or your bow or whatever gear you're taking in the woods with you, same thing goes for your first aid kit. Last thing you want to have happen is be fumbling with, say, a tourniquet, trying to figure out, hey, how do I use this thing? It's the first time I touched it in a life-threatening situation. Be just as familiar with your first aid kit, everything in it, and how to use it as you are with your rifle. Stay safe out there. We'll see you in the woods.